everyone, welcome back. It's Angela here today. How are you guys? Have you had a good weekend? And a very happy Labor Day to everybody for, well, this is Monday today. It's going to go out on Tuesday, so for Monday. I hope that you had a great day and a nice, lovely, long weekend. Right, I'm going to put in a little project into our Rustic Reflections Writing Journal today. I hope you've managed to catch up on all the homework. Oh, I feel like I'm going to sneeze. Today's project is inspired by Be Reborn, Art and Healing by Kerr Renee. So, Kerr, thank you, Renee. Thank you so much for this inspiration. I loved what you did with yours. I'm going to do a version of that today and put it in here, because it's lovely and flat, and I thought perfect, lots of writing space. So thank you for all of that. I will have Kerr Renee's link for the video that she did on her channel, and you can find that in the description box below this video. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to show you the one I've made already. I did put clips on it because I haven't glued it down quite yet. Alright, so it's in my second signature after my colouring in page freebie, which if you haven't grabbed that yet, you can get that on my website shop. So this is what I've done. It's like a triple layer belly band with bits. So yeah, I really love it. I've just made it my own in my own style, but Kerr Renee did a beautiful job with lots of different themes and really pretty as well. So yeah, we've got 3 layers here. I've layered it up with the bits from the kit. I've added an autumn leaf here and one of the sentiments, a little touch of lace, and just put in 3 cards which I've added tabs to. So there we go. We've got that one. We've got this one. Oops. Love that. So relaxing. I could do with a hammock in my garden. I've taken one of my book pages, the mini one, and I've just backed it onto paper because I thought that these make beautiful writing cards. So we've got 2 in that one, and then I've got in the back layer here, and everything's being caught by this pig. I've taken a mini page and a beautiful journal card to write on there. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So yeah, you're going to join me. Go grab either coffee and take some notes, or really easy to do this, great for beginners, and really I encourage you to go and see what Kerr Renee did on her channel as well. Right, so that's lovely and flat and not going to add too much bulk. I've added it onto this page, as I said, which is opposite the colouring in pages, and we'll do the same for the other signature, except I'm making it more olivey green. Oh, maybe not. Okay. So let's take that out. That's what I was trying to do. We put that over there for the minute. Close that up, and as I say, the other one will go into this one on this page here. Okay, right. Move that out the way. Right, what do you need? It's really simple, so a great one. You need 3 pieces of paper. So for this one, I'm using these 3. I used the stripe for both. I'm using this one for the middle layer and this one for the base. And for the peach one, I did the peach version of that. I did this one with the knitting and the leaves for the middle and the peach stripes on top. So that's what I've done. Okay, I'll give you some quick measurements here. I think this is 4.5 inches. Yeah, 4.5 inches in width. And all I've done is I've taken 1/4 of an inch off the length. So whatever paper size you're using. All right, 1/4 of an inch off the length of your page, because this is the length, just 1/4 of an inch shorter. Right, so 4.5 inches in centimeters is 11.5 centimeters. And I've given you the width. The lengths are all the same. This one I did at just 3 3/8 of an inch, and that is 8.5 centimeters. And then this one here is 2.5 inches, or 6.3 centimeters. Okay, so that's all you need to do. Now I'm going to start with this piece here. I then took a strip of this paper and I cut it a half an inch wide. So half an inch is 1.2 centimeters, there or thereabouts. And we're going to stick this down in the middle like faux washi tape. That's what we're going to do. All right. It's getting nippier here, and my lovely tree outside that I look over all day long, well, when I'm in here, in my craft room, its leaves are turning more rust color from the lovely deep burgundy that I normally look at. So I can see they are getting ready to fall off. And I can see the birds looking at me, but I have fed them, so maybe it's finished. There's that. I have 3 homing pigeons that have, I used to have 1 and it's grown to 3 now. 3 white homing pigeons that also like to come and eat here every day. The little birds do get upset because they feel they're taking their territory over, I suppose. But it is too cute to see. Right, remember I said I cut out some of these autumn leaves. I've had lots of fun with them. I love them. And I've got this one, which was with the, what's the color of this one? Crushed olive. Yeah, this one's made from crushed olive. Love that color. And we're going to stick that down. All right, so let's get that down. Yeah, I'm going to have to make some more of these. I'm going to show you the other things that I did make using the inks yesterday. I had fun cutting out those little labels from the... I'm trying to think what it's called now. Right, so I want to just get it about here. Right. Okay, so we want to get that about there. So just less than halfway. All right. And then what I'm going to do is field notes. Those are the little labels here. Field notes. I went and cut, stamped all of these in the same colors that I shared with you. So I've got loads of those, which I love using. Right, we've got these little fussy cuts, which I also like. I love how they've turned out. And I'm going to just get this glued on as well. I love these little flowers. Got to have some lots of, you know, florally bits. I do enjoy that. Right, so we've got this one. And I'm going to get this one about here. Right, just tilt its little flower head slightly to the left if I can. All right, and then we've got this one, which I'm going to place a little bit lower. Right, so I'm going here like this. It's going to go further down, but that's fine. All right, so we'll get that like that. Okay, so we've got 2 of those there. Right, then I've taken this one from that field notes. This is with the fossilized amber. I've just stamped them onto tea stain paper. And they're great for this. Right, so we'll get this one here. All right, and then I've just taken one of the little number ones. This is in the ripe persimmon. Love the names. Are we going to get that just across here? Just a little splash of orange. Okay, and then I've taken the little mittens. Well, this is not from the small sized ones. These are the bigger ones. In the kit, you've got a full size, a full page and a half page size of this. I think. I did it for the printed people. Right. And then we will put that just here. Okay. So we're sort of going down. I've got a little bit of lace. I'm going to stick that across the bottom before I put on my little sentiment. Abby's eating her alligator chew. So it's like a teeth cleaner thing. You know, I've just cut her fringe, so I've got to clean the teeth as well. did the ears. She's having a groom day. She hates it. The only thing she likes about grooming is brushing. The rest, not. She looks so sorry for herself, so I always give her a little reward. Right, so we've got that there. And then the last thing to add on here is it's a new day, a new start. And today, it's a new day, first of the month, Monday. It's a good day to start something new. So let's work on ourselves. Best investment of energy, isn't it? Invest it in yourself. Right. Let's now place this onto here. So we're going to just take our glue, and I'm going to put substantial glue on here just so that it's going to hold this nicely. And you could, this would make a great mask make, wouldn't it? I love these colors with the green. Right. There we go. It's looking lovely. And then very last, I just want to get that a little bit over. Okay. Is we're going to stick it on here. Fantastic. Okie dokie, so let's just find the middle bit. Oh, they're mowing the lawn on the park, so sorry for the little noise if you hear it. Right, so we'll get that there and that there. Perfect. And we are good to go. Right, so these are the bits that I've gathered for this one. We've got the other half of that page. I put the other one in the other. So that will go onto our page like this. Yeah, then the other half of that same book page I did, and then I've got this lovely postcard, so that's going to go about there, and then this awesome one with a bicycle I'm going to put like that over there, and that will be that. And then here's the other one. How quick and simple was that, guys? Yeah. There we go. Project done. We'll get that stuck into our journal. And I will be back here on Friday for some more quick and fun projects. I might do more than one on Friday, because I've got also some quicker options. Thank you so much again, Cara Renee. I hope that you go and have a look at her video and see what she did. And thank you everyone for following along with me and for all your support. And don't forget, if you didn't pick up that colouring freebie and also the page to do your front cover, that's also in there on my website. I will see you on Friday. Have a wonderful week. See you all soon. Bye bye.